In this video, I'll be showing you how to use theater mode to watch replays in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now you can do this whether you're on console or PC, but all you gotta do is go over to your launcher menu, which is this little icon right here. Then you're gonna see theater under progression. So go ahead and click on that. It's gonna show you all the previous games you've gone ahead and played. So let me just choose Express Domination as an example. And then it might take longer or a short amount of time depending on your, what you're playing on, whether it's console or PC. But you just gotta wait for the replay mode to load. And as you can see, it's now loaded for me. And it has like the different controls and everything. So if I want to go from first person to third person, I could just go ahead and do that. I can even go to free mode, which I think is really cool, because now I can just like go upwards and I can look around the map. I can toggle controls as well by pressing 3. So if I don't want the controls and I can have like a more cinematic angle and everything, I could just go ahead and do that as well. And yeah, obviously if I want them back, just press 3 again. And then yeah, it's really good to, like, if you're really trying to play competitive, you can review games like this. But yeah, you can really just do so much. One of my favorite things I like doing personally is literally just going outside the map. Going outside the map and just seeing what they've done to it and everything. Because yeah, I just find it really cool to go ahead and explore, different parts of the map and how they've gone ahead and like modeled it and stuff. Because like there's just like, look at this. This is Express. There's a massive area in Express where like you just can't even like walk around and stuff, but it looks like something that would be in Warzone personally. But yeah, I think it's really cool. But yeah, you can really just do whatever you want and you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and let us know in the comments what more tutorials would you want from this channel in the future.